Do you love nature? Do you enjoy mountains, oceans, forests, or just watching the sky? Today, we'll teach you nature and environment vocabulary that will help you describe our beautiful planet in fluent English. Welcome back to English Vocabulary Channel. We will help you learn English in a simple and enjoyable way. Let's explore the world of nature through words. Section 1. Basic Nature Vocabulary. 1. Mountain. Meaning, a very high area of land. Example, we went hiking in the mountains last summer. 2. Forest. Meaning, a large area full of trees. Example, the forest is home to many animals. 3. River. Meaning, a natural flow of water. Example, the river flows through the city. 4. Ocean. Meaning, a huge body of salt water. Example, the Pacific Ocean is the largest in the world. 5. Desert. Meaning, a hot, dry place with little water. Example, camels live in the desert. Section 2. Weather vocabulary. 1. Sunny. Example, it's a bright and sunny day. 2. Cloudy. Example, the sky is cloudy. It might rain. 3. Rainy. Example, I love staying home on rainy days. 4. Windy. Example, it's too windy to go outside. 5. Stormy. Example, stormy weather can be dangerous. Section 3. Environment vocabulary. 1. Pollution. Meaning, harmful things in the environment. Example, air pollution is a big problem in cities. 2. Recycling. Meaning, reusing materials like plastic and paper. Example, recycling helps reduce waste. 3. Conservation. Meaning, protecting nature and wildlife. Example, we must focus on forest conservation. 4. Renewable energy. Meaning, energy that never runs out, solar, wind. Example, solar power is a renewable energy source. 5. Climate change. Meaning, long-term changes in temperature. Example, climate change is affecting weather patterns. 6. Ecosystem. Meaning, community of plants, animals, and environment. Example, a healthy ecosystem is important for survival. Section 4. Animal and plant vocabulary. 1. Wildlife. Example, this national park protects wildlife. 2. Species. Example, many species are becoming endangered. 3. Habitat. Example, polar bears live in Arctic habitats. 4. Flora and fauna. Meaning, plants and animals. Example, the rainforest has diverse flora and fauna. Section 5. Describing nature. Use these adjectives. 1. Beautiful. Example, the sunset is beautiful. 2. Peaceful. Example, the garden feels peaceful and calm. 3. Majestic. Meaning, very grand or impressive. Example, the mountains looked majestic. 4. Breathtaking. Meaning, extremely beautiful. Example, the view from the hill was breathtaking. 5. Greenery. Meaning, green plants and trees. Example, the greenery around the lake was refreshing. Section 6. Fun practice activity. Time for a quick challenge. We will say a nature word, and you type an example sentence in the comments. Words. Ocean. Climate change. Peaceful. Wildlife. We will check your sentences. Section 7. Quick recap. Today we learned vocabulary related to nature, weather, wildlife, and the environment, like ocean, desert, recycling, species, majestic, and more. What's your favorite nature word? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.